I really like this space. All of the windows are plain, but I'm looking for something special. Oh, if you look up there, they're the last remaining surviving pieces of medieval glass. All of these have been pieced back together, so you can get a sense of how incredible these windows would have looked.
The medieval stained glass techniques disappeared for almost 300 years before being rediscovered by the Victorians, who set about reglazing our cathedrals. Expert practitioners like Derek Hunt still use them today, and luckily are happy to pass them on.
Shall we try with the bird, because this is the main sort of focal point, and it'll be an interesting one because there's some curves in this one.
So I'm literally getting some water.
Yeah.
Is it quite gloopy then?
It's quite gloopy, yeah, and just do like a circular motion to load the brush, and then
Do a line.
yeah.
Oh,
There we
okay.
are. We're ready to go now. Yeah, that's good.
okay.
It does feel different, doesn't it?
Kind of reminds me putting on eyeliner in the morning.
I'll take your word for it.
It really does. Like you have to just get used to like the texture and putting it on, and
Yeah.
it's just yeah. Wow. Okay. So is this the same sort of thing that they would have done in the medieval period?
We're using the same brushes, we're using the same paint, we're using the same type of glass. They wouldn't be using our fancy new sort of LED light tables. They would be just using natural light, and they haven't really changed for centuries.
Once the glass is painted, it's time to stick all the pieces together, using lead. In the medieval period, they'd have used a hot poker to melt it, but I'm using the 21st century equivalent.
So would you have me in your medieval workshop then?
Absolutely, yes, yes. You could be the apprentice. Absolutely.
Yes.